Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Ed. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete Snapchat call history. First of all, you can open the Snapchat icon. Already open the app. After opening the Snapchat, you can go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can now tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and you can just simply scroll down here, scroll down, tap on clear data in the privacy controls section. And after this you can now tap on clear conversations, and here you can just simply select the conversation or you want to delete. You can just simply tap on the cross icon at the right side of the screen to clear Snapchat call history, and you can now tap on clear. And after this the Snapchat call history is cleared. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.